Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you full information on Guru Purnima. So let's get started with today's video. What is Guru Purnima? Guru Purnima, also known as Vyasa Purnima, is a popular festival amongst Hindus, Buddhists and Jains to pay respect and honor to the relationship between teachers and disciples. As per the Hindu calendar, Guru Purnima is observed all across India on Ashad Purnima, full moon day in Ashad month. The day is marked as the birth anniversary of Ved Vyasa when students pay respect to their gurus. History of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a major festival for Hindus, Jains and Buddhists where each religion has its rich Guru Purnima history. According to Hinduism, Lord Shiva became a guru by transmitting the knowledge of yoga to his seven followers or the Saptarishis. Since that time, devotees of the Hindu religion marked this day as Guru Purnima, which is also called Ved Vyasa, meaning the great sage was born. According to Buddhism, Guru Purnima is celebrated to pay respect to Lord Buddha, who is the one who laid the foundation of this religion. It is also believed by the Buddhists that on this full moon day, Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, after attaining enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. And according to Jainism, the festival is observed as Trino Guha Purnima to honor their Guru Mahavira, the famous 24th Tirthankara in Jainism. This religion's followers believe that on this day, Mahavira got his first follower Gautam Swami, after which he successfully became a Trino Guha. Significance of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima's importance holds great value. It is the Guru who imbibes great qualities and provides the disciples with great knowledge. Guru Purnima significance is about the word Guru that is derived from its Sanskrit roots in which Gu means darkness and Ru means remover of the darkness. Thus, Guru is someone who removes the darkness of our lives and paves the way for us. How is Guru Purnima celebrated? On Guru Purnima, people offer prayers to their gurus. Hindus celebrate Guru Purnima by chanting mantras, venerating the Mahaguru and seek his blessings. Devotional songs and hymns are also chanted throughout the day and Guru Gita is recited in the loving memory of the Mahaguru. In Buddhism, Buddhists celebrate Guru Purnima by conducting a ritual called Uposatha. In this, Buddhists honor the eight teachings of the Buddha, and many Buddhist monks start their journey of meditation on this day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell so you would not miss the updates of any of my upcoming videos. Bye bye and take care, and now I will meet you in my next video.